Hi Ashika, wishing you a very, very prosperous, joyous, healthy, and successful birthday. I am sure you are doing very well in life because you are such a person. I still remember our those olden batch days when we used to have super fun. You were the most cutest student of the batch. Always joyful, always around any mischief, and you are also the one to give support, give comfort to your friends. Please be like this always, and we all love you. Take care, beta. Bye bye.
Hey Ashika, wish you many happy returns of the day. It's been almost 8 years we are friends now and there are so many good memories. So one of the best memories till now is the 31st December and we had so much fun. We will never forget that. And the second is I miss our old days. We used to go in different cafes and हमेशा कुछ तो अतरंगी ट्राई करते थे और देखो हमेशा कुछ तो अतरंगी खाना होता था. I know you are missing peri peri fries nachos, so I'm going to send you all that on your special birthday. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to send you. I'm just going to send you an emoji. You are such a special friend. I will never get a friend like you. And you know how much I hate you. So, happiest quarantine birthday. Enjoy your day. Miss me. Bye.
Hi Ashi. Well, first of all, wish you many happy returns of the day. I'm sure that you're gonna like these surprises. Okay. So first, it's been around 5 years that we have been together. I mean, I think we connect both with each other very well, and we really share a great bond since the first day that we have met. So, and you're a very fun-loving person that I have. I mean, you're really sweet, caring as well. हाँ वो बात अलग है कि आयशी खूब है तू पर मे बी होतो काही नाही और मैं हाँ भुलक्कड़ तो खूप है एंड आई रियली कांट फॉरगेट दैट तुम्हारा बर्थडे भूल गई होती सो ठीक है बट नो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू आर रियली वेरी इंटेलिजेंट very strong enough to take your own decision. One thing I like about you is that once you decide to do something, you do it and you do it very well. So this attitude, I mean, there is no need to tell that clearing CA exams first attempt. Like this is really a very big thing, and so this attitude of yours, I really like the most. So be the same as you are, keep smiling always, and I hope that our bond that we have, it just remains the same, and it just grow better and better as you both grow older. So wish you many happy returns of the day. Party hard, stay blessed, keep smiling, and meet soon, please.
A very happy birthday, Ashika. You are a very fun loving person, and that is the most distinguishing quality about you. Hopefully, your birthday is in better circumstances the next year. I wish you all the health, prosperity, luck, success, hard work. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I look forward to meeting you.
Hey, hi Ashika. Wish you a many happy returns of the day. I'm sure your birthday काफी special होने वाला है तेरे लिए, and all the messages from everyone is going to take you by surprise. So इसी बात में मैंने कुछ लिखा है तेरे लिए. Short poem, 6 to 7 lines का ये. So please bear me for that. ठीक है? So the title is दोस्त. आज मेरे दोस्त का जन्मदिन है, तो सोचा कुछ खास लिखो. आज मेरे दोस्त का जन्मदिन है, तो सोचा कुछ खास लिखो. लेकिन सोचा तो कुछ ऐसा लगा कि ये सुन के कहीं उसको मैं बेवकूफ ना लगूं. आशु बुलाते हम सब प्यार से उसे, तो कभी वो किसी को भालू. समझ गए होगे किसकी बात कर रहे. आशु बुलाते हैं हम सब प्यार से उसे, तो कभी वो किसी को भालू. ये दोस्तों का रिश्ता ही ऐसा कि मैं जिंदगी भर कभी इस दोस्ती को ना भूलूं. दोस्त तो बहुत लोग एक दूसरे को कहलाते हैं, पर जो मुश्किलों में साथ रहते हैं उसे ही हम असली दोस्त पुकारते हैं. तू साथ मत छोड़ना किसी का मेरे दोस्त. तू साथ मत छोड़ना किसी का मेरे दोस्त. हम सब भी नहीं छोड़ेंगे तेरा साथ. चांदवड़ से निकलकर कभी नासिक भी आया कर, तब हमें पता चलेगा तेरा बढ़िया हाल. इसी शब्दों से मैं करता हूँ इस कविता का दी एंड. इसी शब्दों से मैं करता हूँ इस कविता का दी एंड. अगर पसंद आए तो करना लाइक, शेयर एंड कमेंट. For what it was so difficult. Yeah. Anyways, once again, a very happy birthday to you, Ashu. Be cheerful, stay happy as you always have been, and we all love the way you are. So have fun. Cheers.
हेलो। सो आज एक स्पेशल दिन है हमारे फ्रेंड्स फैमिली में से एक मेंबर का। थोड़ी क्रेजी है और लेजी है, बट फन लविंग, इंटेलिजेंट और बहुत केयरिंग है, और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट सब लोगों की फेवरेट है, आशिका। आज आशिका का बर्थडे है, सो आई वुड लाइक टू विश यू मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे आशी। एंजॉय योर डे एंड हैव अ सेफ बर्थडे एट होम, एंड लॉट्स ऑफ पार्टीज आर पेंडिंग। सो सब खत्म होने के बाद जल्दी मिलो, पार्टीज दो, एंड लेट्स सेलिब्रेट टुगेदर। Have a great year ahead, and once again wish you many many happy returns of the day. Chalo, take care. Bye bye.
Hey Ashika, happy birthday. Sending you smiles, happiness, and hope that these days give you everything that you desire. Be safe and be happy. Bye.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर तोतले फ्रेंड, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। Wish you many many happy returns of the day, buddy. May you get all the happiness in the life you deserve. I love you so much, and I miss all the fun we had. The 31st December New Year party was amazing, bro, and I really miss it. So meet up soon and let's party hard again.
Happy birthday, Ashika. God bless you.
Hi Ashu, wish you many many happy returns of the day, dear, and may God bless you. We miss you so much. I love you. I hope this is the only quarantine birthday you ever have. After all this ends, we are gonna have a big party. But always remember one thing: we are the best. Love you.
Hello Ashika, wish you a very 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 happy birthday. Take care. Bye bye.
Hi Ashika, happy birthday. I know we have very few memories together, but each of them is equal to 100 other. I still remember the day you entered the hostel. You were a bit low and sad and standing in the balcony. Obviously you were missing your family. And then I entered the balcony and told you, don't worry, give some time and you will find another family over here as well. From that moment only we became such a good friends. There was some connection with you in that moment only. That was the connection, the first sight we say. So we have shared so many things, right from lunch, dinners, gossips and secrets, laugh and tears, those guitar classes, and not to forget our snack time fruits. You fruit lover. Anyways, you are a very nice person with a jolly nature and bindas attitude. Just be as you are, and wish you all the luck, happiness and success. Thank you again. Happy birthday. Bye bye.
हैप्पी बर्थडे आशु, एंजॉय योर डे। बाकी वाले फोन पे रहते हैं। बाय बाय।
Hi, happy birthday Ashu. Hopefully you're enjoying your quarantine birthday and jaldi milte hain and then we'll party. Bye bye.
Hi Ashu, wish you many many happy returns of the day. God bless, और लॉकडाउन के बाद मिलते हैं।